Alright, so in this video we're gonna fix the issue, or not the issue, we're gonna show how to actually use Git. So first of all, I thought just fixing these small errors here. Then we can go in and create Git repo, initialize it, and then we can basically make a commit in here. So we can say that we doesn't want to open commit this file, or we can actually commit it. So basically you can see the change made here and all of that. This is not a version control course, so I'm not gonna go too much into detail with that, but let's make a commit. So we can write add code to index.php and app.php. Normally this would be more descriptive and of course make more sense. And then we just need to say stage. And now it's inside the stage, we can create a commit. So now that we actually have a commit in here, this is committed into this Git, and then we can from here make a new file and add another commit, which then we'll be able to go on from here. We can also make a new branch down here, call this for example nav file. Then you can check out and all that I suppose you would know if you know about version control. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.